So we're working on this corner. We just finished up this post and we're going to now start on the top here, and you can see how it's rotted out. Now the top, we did fix the roof already. Go up here so you can see it better. We got a lot of water damage, so we have to cut it back into here probably and replace this whole corner. Now the top is, you can see where I screwed in here to do the top boards. So the top is all sealed in. So basically we have to restructure the support down below, which may mean we have to, I'm not sure what it means, but we got to do it. And we got to start ripping things out and cutting things off and see, get back to some good wood, and then we can start rebuilding. So let's start cutting.